I actually started PIF together with Jonathan. So I'm one of the co-founder of PIF. So we started off educating SME owners on equity financing to find more capital for their business expansion, business growth. Then we also extended our service to consultancy, and through this consultancy and our community grow, we realized that there are some business owner that is ready for the secondary capital market, which is where I can bring them to the secondary market through an IPO. So I left PIF and I set up Antz Capital, and where we take care of bringing SME owner from PIF to the IPO markets. And then I focus a lot on post IPO, which is the M&A. So, but I'm still a speaker at PIF, and I'm also the board of advisor. I think PIF has got a very good platform, and their platform is also regional. So their platform gathers a lot of SME owners, which is actually helps a lot of CF houses like Antz Capital in terms of the deals origination. So we can find a lot of deals from PIF platform in terms of whether we are doing an M&A for them or are we bringing them for an IPO. So even we can work with PIF platform with a lot of LISCO company, if the LISCO company are finding partnerships with this SME owner. So I think PIF has got a very rich and good regional network of SME, which a lot of CF houses should tap on. As I always say, capital, how much capital you have in your hand will determines how fast, how far, and how big your business can go. So the ability of an SME owner or a business owner to find capital is very important, and that determines the success of your business. Because every single idea that you have, every single product or technology that you have, you need capital to materialize it. So I think capital is very important, and the way you find capital will determine what level of entrepreneurs are you.